Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today I would like to talk about Omni, and I would like to show you also the targets for Outlier. Let's dive in. Everything pretty simple. All my investment portfolio format, and I waited only two tokens. It's Omni and Outlier. I added my alerts and I just wait. So I want to show you first of all the Outlier, just a few words, no makes sense to share all ideas, because everything right? So I just want to show you here. Yes, of course, it looks like I could stress a little bit, right? When we pump it, I skip it. So I bought it here, we pump it, I'm out, and we continue race. Right, so from 13 cents to 20 cents, and I'm a little bit maybe nervous, but I follow my plan. And here I add my alerts to this one. The best block for Outlier will be the red one. You remember, right? So 78, 86, so initiation accumulation pump model. I added alert for a buy line on the daily time frame, but most likely we will drop lower to sweep this low, like 8 cents, and probably test 78 level by FIP, maybe even the sweep of this actual lows. Everything going by plan. You just stick to your plan and follow your plans. If some token not drop to your zone of interest, you just skip this token. Pretty simple strategy, guys. And here's a Omni. The target's absolutely the same. You remember, I think before the unlocks, they will put the price higher. Invalidation of this idea, guys, if the Omni will dump on the listing price. Can we drop under $4.66? Yes. The idea, guys, absolutely still the same, still relevant signs of the first video for Omni after listing. So nothing special happened for this token, and I'm just wait. If this token not drop to the best zone to buy again, I will just skip this token. My zone of interest only here. It's between $6.59, $4.66. How low we can drop, I can't know because I'm not a wizard. I don't know the future, and nobody can know the future. Even this fancy guys with the WIP premium groups, just in case if you didn't know. So here, this is just to be honest, kind of weird week. Take a look how it looks like on a 4-hour time frame. Here, we dump it and bounce. From $7, we bounce at 100%, almost 100%. Kind of strange, right? So 12-hour time frame here. We tested here the fundamental value of this token, bounce it, and most likely we will sweep this low and test $6.93. And maybe even the 50% of this range between the $6.57 and $4.66. But I would like to see the test, at least the buy line sweep of this. Let me hide this one. Sweep of this liquidity pool, this one, and maybe this one. So $6 can be the best personal for me entry. What I will do if we continue move down like this, I will buy some amount here, bounce it, if we bounce. And going down, next, my purchases will be here, only here. So that's a plan. If we'll drop lower, I will not touch this token. Because in this case, it will be the out of risk management, and because we can't drop, even invalidate this idea. And in this case, yes, the idea can be invalidated, but don't be trapped with this DCA strategy. Because all of that gurus always recommend you to use DCA strategy. But guys, open the chart of IAVO, for example, and take a look how the people they use DCA strategy since $3 to 23 cents. Just in case, guys. So I follow my plan. The zone where I would like to fix a profit here, of course, 100%. It can be, let's say I will buy in here. After 100% at this area, $12.50, I will out with my initial deposit. And then with free tokens, I will write to the zone of fixation profit here, 475, and the next all-time high, 837. So guys, everything pretty simple. Nothing special for Omni or even for Outlier. Outlier can drop, I guess, a little bit lower. So take profit I showed you. Let's take a look with trade on. I'm just wait. So here was a signal to buy on the daily. recommendation close position, take profit, sell, buy back, sell, buy back, and wait the buy signal again. So let's see if we'll see this one or not. 12 time frame, here was a signal to buy, bounce, recommendation close position, nothing special. For Omni, everything okay, absolutely okay. Money power, take a look, the money inflow here was a money inflow in August, money outflow. I would like to see the money inflow again. So I just wait. Unfortunately, guys, yes, the January, it's not so positive months for the altcoins. For BTC also, but BTC looks even better. BTC at all-time high at 90K. Altcoins lay down at the bottom. So here, market mood, came into a capitulation zone. So last time when we saw the capitulation zone, it was here. So this one, and the last one is September 2024. From September 2024, we bounced like 126. So I wait the drop once again to capitulation zone, where I will start accumulate this stock. And also, the guys who always drove the trend lines, what they drew, mostly they drove something like this, right? Because it's always the same mistake with this trend lines and all of that stuff, guys. All of that trend lines, it's just in theory. They work just in theory. Because the million traders can draw the million different trend lines. Someone like this one, someone adjusted and showed you the bullish one like here, this one, so this is a fake out. Someone can draw even the buy line chart on the daily time frame. You can open the Twitter and find out how many people draw the trend line like this one here. So now we should hold the line at $7. When we break it out, retest it, break it out, everybody start talking, oh, it's a fake out. Always fake out. Someone will draw the trend line like this. Definitely. So what now? One touch, second touch, third touch. Oh, it's a fake out. Here's a test. Yes, it was a fake out, just a fake out. Here is a test. No, another fake out. It's also fake out. Guys, there's always a million explanation why this idea doesn't work. I already explained it to you in the podcast. So rarely you can find out the traders who can tell or post like, I was wrong. I post a lot of wrong ideas, guys. But even if there's over than 50% or 60% ideas right, you can be profitable. And that's the point why I'm still here in the market. Since it's not my first cycle. That's the point, guys. So you work with possibilities. I'm not chasing the 100% win rate. It's impossible. Just to be honest, it's impossible. That's why I'm waiting Omni. And if Omni not drop and hold the line, for example, at $7.50, I skip it Omni. It's okay. So let's take a look on direction indicator here. Also, I would like to see the accumulation again, like it was here at the beginning of January. So I need to see something similar. Weekly time frame here. Looks like we got a lot of space to drop. That's kind of scary. That's kind of scary on crypto flight direction. And the last indicator is ADZ. By the way, I adjusted ADZ here. We can drop, and that's the point, guys. We can drop and form the warranty. We can drop even lower than $5.90. And it can be that warranty on a weekly time frame. It's going to be something like this one. It's kind of scary because we waste the time. We just waste the time. And it's, I still think and still believe we can see the bullish spring. So here also the warranty on a daily. We can form the warranty on a daily. Something like this one at the bottom. August 24, the biggest accumulation. Here are the touches, and we can drop, for example, like this one, and form the warranty. It's going to be the perfect entry. So that's why, guys, I'm just wait. And no rush. And also, guys, work with the proper size of your position. Because we can't know how low the Omni can dump. Maybe we'll drop to $4.66. And the big difference between the $7.30, for example, and $4.66. And the targets were to fixed profit I already showed you. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what is your coins, what are you waiting to buy more. If you would like to trade with my customer Crystal, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.